Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, we have seen silver is moving in this zone for quite some time. Okay, it has already made a low of around 17.5. After that there is a continuous upside. Okay, previously what we have seen, it was in this zone. As soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen a fall. After that swing form, that is where it moved upside, and now in this zone probability is very high that if the price keeps sustaining, and chances are high it will sustain because there is a clear U pattern is forming. So chance can be high it can move above level of 25.3, and then from there it will cross a level of 25.8, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, second thing, that if you're new to my video and you're watching it for the first time, you can subscribe. Okay, you can like it, and if you like anything need to be changed, you can comment me so that I can improve in that detail. Okay, now after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen because most of the metals and energy stocks went down, and after that there is a lockdown has been moved out, and then we have seen there is a rise in the price of most of the commodities. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, chances can be high that it can go further high because this pattern is supporting. But if the price started falling below a level of 22.6, then you will see there will be a fall because there is this particular pattern is forming. So chances are high that it will started falling below a level of 22.6 if the price start falling. If you look at the dollar index also, you will understand that dollar index, it is on this particular upside movement, and it has already moved after this particular zone. Okay, and now it is above a level of 104.5, which is an uptrend for the dollar index. So we can see there will be a fall in the silver prices. But what we have seen for a few days, that it is also increasing, and the price of gold is also have made a new high. So there are factors which is, see, they are inversely related, but few of the factors are also responsible. So we have not seen this trend been following. So always try to set your SL. Okay, setting your SL will save you from the uncertainty, and it will save you your capital. Okay, and once you started in profit, then always try to trail your profit so your profit can be saved. This is very important thing you should be doing. Okay, so once the price started moving below a level of 104.26, then it has to move below a level of $103.8. We will see there will be, then we can see this trend will support towards downtrend, and we can see the dollar index can move further low. As soon as the dollar index move further low, we can see there will be a rise in the price of silver price. So suppose if the price sustain, what we can see, if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $25, and once the price started sustaining of 25, a further high we can see towards $25.30. Okay, and if the price keep moving on that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $25.580. 25.580 is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross a level of 25.970. Okay, and this 970 is already being tested, so chances are cross a level of 26.126, which is the half this zone. So we will see it will cross that level, and yes, from there it will go towards 26.853, and from there it can cross a level of $26.9, and then a further we can see. But remember something, see, market is always uncertain. Okay, as we know that market is always uncertain, so setting your SL is important. Okay, to save your capital, trading your SL is important to save your profit. These two things you should be doing. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can go towards its next support at a level of $24.662. Okay, and if the price started moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 24.110 will be there. Suppose if the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $24. Okay, and if the price started falling below 24, then a further fall we can see towards a level of 23.506. Okay, as soon as the price started falling below 23.506, you will see it will fall below a level of $23, and from there it will move below a level of $21.8. Keep that in mind. Again I repeat, if the price started falling below this level, it will go towards a level of 24.615, and from there a level of 24.147. If the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards $23.55, and from there a level of 23. If the price keep moving below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of $22.23, and from there a level of 21.9. Okay, if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards 21.5, and then a further low we can see towards a level of around below a level of 21, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also